It is possible to mirror and control your Android phone from your Mac, Windows, or Linux PC using a free open source program called Scrcpy. Note, this will be a more advanced tutorial. You will need to be comfortable with enabling developer settings on your Android phone and entering commands in your computer's terminal. To begin, make sure developer options are enabled on your Android phone. If you haven't enabled this before, go to Settings, About Phone, and scroll down to where you find the build number. Press build number multiple times until you are asked to enter your device's passcode. Enter your passcode to approve developer mode, and then go back to the main settings page. Go to System, and select Developer Options. We will be using USB for mirroring, so make sure USB debugging is enabled. Now, on your computer, go to the GitHub page for Scrcpy, shown here or linked in the video description. Note, Scrcpy is spelled Scrcpy. From this GitHub page, find and follow the specific instructions for installing Scrcpy for your operating system, either Linux, Windows, or Mac OS. Once installed, you'll be able to access Scrcpy via your computer's terminal. First, plug in your Android phone via USB to your computer, and be sure to allow USB debugging on the pop-up that appears on your phone. For Linux and Mac, open the Terminal app and type Scrcpy, then Enter to start Scrcpy. For Windows, in the downloaded files, double-click to open the scrcpy-console.bat file. You should now see your Android phone is mirrored to your computer. You can also use your mouse and keyboard to control your phone, such as open apps, type, and more. By default, you'll see that your phone's screen is kept on while doing this. You can turn off your device's screen but keep the mirroring active by pressing Alt-O or Option-O on Mac on your keyboard. A few other shortcuts to know is that right-click is equivalent to pressing the back key, and pressing the middle button on your mouse is the home key. For apps that are in the landscape position, the window will auto-resize to that orientation. If you encounter a screen requiring authentication, such as a banking app, for security, this screen cannot be mirrored and you'll see a black screen. You'll likely need to use your phone to unlock these apps. Apps which play DRM-protected videos, such as streaming video apps like Netflix, will not work with Scrcpy. When you try to play a Netflix show, for example, though you can hear the audio from your computer, the video will be a black screen. There are many other shortcuts and settings available with Scrcpy, such as setting custom resolutions and more, which can be found from the project's GitHub page. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like this video, and consider subscribing for more content like this. Thanks for watching. Until next time.